Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to change the language on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose System, and here we've got Languages and Input, so let's tap on it. Let's tap on Languages again, and as you can see here we've got the list of applied languages. We've got only English on it. Let's click on Add a Language, and here we've got some suggested ones and all languages which are available on this device. Let me pick something, maybe for example Italiano. Of course I can choose some regions, and as you can see the new language has been successfully applied to our list. And if you want to set it as a main language, simply tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position of the list. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so the whole menu will be in our chosen language. In order to get back to English, simply do the same, tap on the English, hold it and drag it to the first position, and it immediately changes. If you want to remove some languages because you don't want to use them, simply tap on this three-dot icon, click on Remove and tap on the one you want to remove. Tap on this delete icon, click on OK, and as you can see, now we've got only English applied. So that's all. This is how to change the language in your Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.